This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 104 of building the Kitt from Knight Rider. The Kitt kit is what we're building. So yeah, let's get on with it. Let's have a look through the magazine first, and then we'll get to building and putting in the bits that we built last time. The Redemption of a Champion, episode 16 from season 4. A champion needs redeeming, and Kitt and Michael will obviously help out with that. Go all the stuff from there if you want to read it. Then we are doing the rear trunk cover. What do they actually call it? The rear wall and the left wall of the trunk. The left wall is the bit that we built last time. This is the rear wall, which we're going to be fitting the catch to. Then installing that. I think I've already taken out the support bar, so I don't need to worry about that. So we'll be putting that in, and then putting in the other piece that we built last time, and attaching them both together. Cool. And then next time I think we're going to be starting doing the same on the other side, and then finishing off this build this month with fitting the last side to it. All ready for this to be fitted to the chassis and the electronics and everything, and it's all getting close to the end now. So let me put this out of the way and get the build built. Right, we're starting with some BP screws, which I have got ready already, and a smallish screwdriver to go with those. We're going to be putting a little catch piece into the catch. Not like that, because that's not how it goes. It goes in that way round. There is a flat side to it, so you've got to get it the right way round. Which I did actually have the right way round. We'll go in there, like so. Bit like that. Come on. Try that again. That's going to go in there. Like so. And then a screw will go in from the bottom. And right. One more try. One more try before I give it up and do it off camera and swear at it a lot. So that's going to go in there. Locates in place. And then the screw goes in the bottom there. Come on. Screw in there. All the way through. Into that catch piece. There we go. I think. Definitely going somewhere. Need to make sure that's located in the right place before we tighten this up. There we go. Right, so that's the catch ready to accept the boot when it needs to close down. That is going onto here. So that will engage through there. Going on there, that way round. In there like that. So that's open and accessible through there. 2 more of these BP screws will hold that in place. Just like so. On there. Oh, not there apparently. Try that again. Rid of that screw again. Okay, that there. There. That one's going in. There we go. Let's try the other one, the other side as well. Just about there. Cool. Get them both tightened up now then. Ready for that to be installed. So I need to bring in the rest of the car, well, at least the top part of the car, and we'll see about getting the wires tidied up with the other little bit, and then fitting that and that. So see you in just a sec. Okay, right. So we've got the bracket that's got to hold the wires in place. Let me put through that. Ready? Good. The other three will hold this in place in a moment. Move those to the back. Actually, move that over there, that over there. Right. So the car itself, we brought back in. Here we have it. So we've got the wires going under the two posts there. This needs to fit just into that little corner piece, just in there. Now I can't hold it and do that there, so I'm going to put that in just about there, but I can't do that on camera because of holding the car and getting it balanced and everything else. So I should do that. And then this piece is going to go in there a bit like that, and is held in place with 3 more screws. So I'll get that bit done, and then we'll come back and show you the last trunk piece going in place. Okay, right, in manipulating the car around, I managed to hit the mute button on the microphone and didn't notice. So now I've got to do some voiceover for this bit. So it was actually a problem getting that side panel on. So I figure it might be easier if I get the back panel on first. That gives me an extra point of reference to line it up and make sure everything goes where it should be. Because that's not going under there. I think it's the wires that are causing some of the trouble. It's just not sitting down quite where it should. So I tried loosening the wires off and fiddling it through to make them go in, but still not quite right. So I am just about to see about attaching that. There's 2 screws that hold that onto the back there, just like so, and then the clip will work for the rear boot lid to hold it in place. So I shall get that attached up, and then we'll see about getting that part installed onto there. So that's it, all completed, all done, all attached. It's gone in there okay. The middle of the 3 screws that hold it in place is not going in properly, but it's in there secure. The other 2 that hold it in place are nice and tight and secure. Also, the top piece there is not lining up quite as it should, but it's as good as I can get it, and it is on the inside of the roof, so you can't actually see it in normal use. You'd have to get the car apart to actually see any problems with it, so I'm sure it's fine. Other than that, that is it. That is another issue completed. The boot lid now opens and closes properly. The bar there is not attached as yet, but we'll be doing that very soon. I think next time we're starting up on the other side, so we'll be making that and then installing that in the issue afterwards. It's wider. The boot inside is narrower than it looks like it should be. There's a lot of room taken up on the inside here, with nothing, but that's obviously correct. That's how it should be, and that's that. So yeah, I shall see you very soon for the next part when we're going to build the other side. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.